I have my nice I want parrot ice cream shirt rescue because he wouldn't stop screaming. Nice I want parrot ice cream shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Ladies tee for men and women. Tank top. V-neck. These had him in nice I want parrot ice cream shirt their bedroom and he started mimicking their alarm clock. They then moved him out to the adoption floor. I've had him 5 years and while he is really loud, it's not that bad. Mostly it's just that I can't sleep in. Because I can't turn off my bird when I don't work the next day lol. He only mimics it in the morning when he thinks I should be up. And 2 minutes before my gecko's auto light turns off every night because apparently I need a heads up about it. I had a friend who had one. Official I want parrot ice cream sweatshirt. Hoodie. Sweatshirt. Hoodie. Anytime in nice I want parrot ice cream shirt the room it was super chatty. But not terribly loud. Just a lot of hello and hi as well as its own name. Ever and it would scream it for a good minute repeatedly. That's amazing. They're bossy sods. Aren't they? They've tried feeding him at the same time. Giving him a treat when they eat. Or even making him his own small parrot safe bowl of what they're eating. But he's very adamant that he wants your food, other products, and NBSP.